Hello beautiful people! In today's video, I'm making a carrot cake. It's a really super moist and delicious and refreshing with the lemon glaze topping. But before starting, I would like to mention that I got this recipe from amazing friends I'm collaborating with today. They have a very beautiful channel with very interesting and easy recipes. Cocina Facil or Cocina Facil con Alegandro and Blanca. I hope guys you visit their channel and show them some love. I will leave their channel link in the description box below. So Alegandro and Blanca, thank you so much for this collab and for this delicious recipe that is added to my favorites. Now let's get started.